Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a security sign that you can hang in your door or anywhere you want to. And you probably only want to use this if you guys do own any Eufy security devices. If you guys don't own it, feel free to purchase it as well. So obviously for this one from a brand called Eufy under the Anchor brand. And literally all it is a little sign that you can put anywhere you guys want in your house. So when you guys turn to the back, they also show you guys how you can use it. They provide guys many different ways available. So they give you guys like the sign, the aluminum post, a plastic stick, and also different plastic parts. And they mention how the design have reflective options so that way people can see it in light. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so once you guys open it, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the sign is actually really big and it is a high quality sign. So I believe the material that's on here is either like stainless steel or aluminum. Front part right here, they do have a high quality material for the board options so that way people can see what it is in terms of what you guys are using for protection. And bottom part right here is basically where you guys want to stick the post or the pole or the stick option. So you can see right underneath that we do have all different parts available for you to use in terms of how you guys want to set it up. So for this bottom part, you basically want to stick it in the bottom. But in order for you guys to do that, you need to stick this inside right here. And you guys want to stick this inside like this. And that will basically help you guys hold it in place. And when you guys do set it up, you guys want to make sure to push it all the way in. But once you guys do that, you guys can basically stick this on the bottom. And you guys can stick that onto the floor. And then once you guys set it up, then it's basically all set. And like I mentioned, material that's on here is a high quality aluminum. So definitely strong enough for you guys to set it up in your doorway or anywhere you guys want to set this up. So now that we did unboxing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So like I mentioned, for this product, it's only worth it if you guys do own like a Eufy security product. So that way people know that you guys are protected using Eufy security product. But if you guys really want to just get the sign to scare people away, even though if you guys don't have the product, you guys can definitely get one of these and just stick it into your front door if you guys do want to. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.